Still sending documents manually for signatures and tracking them through endless email threads? Let's simplify that. In this video, we'll see how you can set up a sign template in Salesforce and send documents for e-signature in a smooth, guided flow. So, let's log into Salesforce and open the app launcher. From here, we search for sign templates and open the module to begin setup. Once the page opens, we create a new template by giving it a name and selecting the Salesforce object based on where this process should be used, like an opportunity or any relevant record. After that, we move to the next step where we upload the document that needs to be sent for signature. With the document in place, we continue by adding a recipient, which is the person you want to send the document to for e-signature. Once the recipient is added, move into the document editor where we can place the required signing fields. Here, simply drag and drop fields like signature and sign date wherever approval is needed in the document. After placing all the fields, we save the configuration so the template structure is ready. In the next step, choose how you want the template to be sent. Default lets you review the document, update recipients, and make final changes before sending. The Quick Send option lets you add only the recipients before sending, while all other template settings remain unchanged. The last option is Send Now, which skips all sender controls and sends the document immediately using the template's current configuration with just one click. We'll use this option for our sign template setup. Once everything looks good, we save and finish the setup to complete the sign template creation. Now, to make this template available on a Salesforce record, we go into Setup and open Object Manager for the same object we selected earlier. From there, open Page Layouts and add the sign template action into the Mobile and Lightning Experience Action section so users can access it easily. After saving that, move to the Lightning App Builder and add the same action to the record page so it's visible directly inside the layout. Once everything is placed and saved, we return to the Salesforce record. Here, we'll see the sign template button ready to use, and with one action, the document is sent for signature. The system automatically sends the signing request to the recipient's email, so there's no manual follow-up required. The recipient simply opens the email, views the document in a secure signing window, and reviews the content. From there, they can agree to the document, complete the required fields, and finish the process. Once submitted, the document is automatically recorded as signed, completing the full workflow. And that's how you can set up a sign template in Salesforce and streamline your entire document signing process. Hope this demo helped you understand the process. If you need any support, feel free to reach us at support@signmadeeasy.com. See you in the next demo.